Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ### Java's short data type tutorial. In Java, the short data type is a 16-bit signed integer. It is part of the primitive data types in Java and is used to save memory in large arrays, where the memory savings actually matters. The short type can hold values from -32,768 to 32,767. Characteristics of short. Size, 16 bits, 2 bytes. Range, -32,768 to 32,767. Default value, 0. Wrapper class, short. #####. When to use short. You might choose to use short instead of int when you are sure that the values will always fall within the range of the short type, and you want to save memory. However, it's essential to note that in many cases, using int is more common due to its wider range and the fact that most Java operations are performed using int. ####. Declaring and using short. You can declare a short variable like this. You can also perform arithmetic operations with short values, but be aware that arithmetic operations on short data types are promoted to int in Java. ####. Code example. Here's a simple Java program that demonstrates the use of the short data type. Explanation of the code. 1. Declaring variables, we declare two short variables, a and b. 2. Arithmetic operations, we perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Notice that we cast the results back to short to avoid compilation errors since Java promotes short to int. 3. Out of range example. There's a commented outline that shows an example of what happens when you try to assign a value that exceeds the range of short. Uncommenting it would result in a compilation error. 4. Wrapper class, we demonstrate how to use the short wrapper class to create a short object from a short primitive. 5. Max and min values, finally, we print the maximum and minimum values of the short data type using short.max_value and short.min_value. ###. Conclusion. The short data type is useful for saving memory in situations where you know the values will fall within its range. However, due to Java's tendency to promote smaller types to int, it is often more convenient to use int unless memory usage is a critical concern. Always be cautious about potential overflows when performing arithmetic operations.